Data cakes. I think I got some frosting on my thumb.
Data cakes.
We'll wash off.
Waffles and dinges, it is so yummy. Come eat my waffle with strawberries on top.
Waffles and dinges.
Waffles and dinges.
What the hell is a dinge?
We don't know what a dinge is, but we're about to find out here on Diner Cakes.
Sure enough, I'm gonna get some dinges.
How much fun is this with our speculoos and our speculoos?
Pretty bad, very tasteless.
Hi there,
We just waited in line for waffles and dinges, and we're so excited because after the dinges were placed on top of the waffles, this garden appeared at our feet.
Magical fairyland here.
Just like the, what's it called? Never-ending story.
That's right.
These dinges are magical. So let's dig in.
I got speculous on top of my waffle. I don't know what speculous is. We're speculating about our speculous.
I speculate that it's some sort of almond peanut butter paste. Oh, and I got ice cream, Nutella, bananas on top of a Liege or Brussels waffle.
Brussels, and I got mine on a Liege waffle.
Her waffle's crunchy. Mine is soft and tender.
Supple, perhaps.
Whoa, I like to do that. Oh, look at
Get
that.
it close
Wow.
Is the ice cream really good on it?
I don't know, I'm just trying it
They're
right
right
now.
outside the truck.
I know, I've never gotten it.
It's amazing.
But I never got such a close-up look. That's
You wanna bite?
amazing. See, everybody's talking about the dinges, people. They all want theirs. Give me a little bit of that sugar, honey.
I guess you could have some.
I guess.
Katie's always getting in my dinges. Actually, we don't know if it's dinges or
Dingus. I've heard enough people say dingus. I think it actually is waffles and dingus, but Blair's decided that dingus is a little
dingus
more,
sounds
It's
dirty.
a little dirty. It does. Try this. This is unbelievable.
I know, it's hard. How do I do it? Whoa. This may be more tricky than we thought.
Well, that's also very good. That ice cream tastes like mint.
Does it?
A little bit. Isn't that unbelievable? I'm telling you, I don't know what speculous is, but I am a newfound believer in such a topping.
It's crunchy, but it tastes like peanut butter.
Yeah, it's amazing. It really is. People, it's really fun. You get to call the hotline in order to find the Waffles and Dingus truck, and they have little fun things that you can do in order to get free toppings. And they drive all over Manhattan, and they park different places, and you have to constantly be aware of where they are.
So we better eat these soon, or our magical bucolic fantasy worlds will disappear
They'll disappear. No more fairies.
and turn back into a garbage dump.
We don't want that.
So until next time,
This is Katie.
Blair and dinges.
And dinges.